One of those opportunities that just came once in a lifetime for me.
Last year, Mykka Gabriel landed her dream job working as a therapist on a college campus. But in March, that dream was dashed.
I had that opportunity, but I have a one-story apartment, 4 children, the youngest being 2 at the time. My husband's a teacher, so he was out at work. And so there's no way I can maintain someone's confidentiality with a 2-year-old running around, fighting happening in the background. There's no way I can do that.
With work. And, I did not want to resign. That was like the last option that I wanted to do.
Byanisha Smoot was left without childcare and only one option: quit her job.
I had to make the unfortunate decision to resign.
These 2 women are among the nearly 3 million American women who left the workforce directly because of the pandemic. And the problem is far from over. The latest government numbers show women's participation in the workforce dropped in January, while men's stayed flat.
It's what they've called a pivotal point, where if we don't change the trajectory, we are at risk for losing the gains that have been made in gender equality over the past, I would say, 3 decades.
Case Western Reserve professor Diana Villamoria says the impact of the last 12 months will last generations. The United Nations estimates the economic setbacks will push 47 million women worldwide into extreme poverty. And according to Accenture, the gender gap in the workplace pre-COVID was 21-20, 100 years from now.
But based on the pandemic, they're estimating with the current trend, it will be 2171.
You heard her, 2171, 150 years from now. With more women out of the workforce, even temporarily, widens the pay gap between men and women. One study found women who took even just 1 year off from the workforce made 39% less than a woman who didn't. Luckily for Mykka, her job is waiting for her when this pandemic is over, but she is a rarity.
So I was disappointed, but at the same time, my first ministry is my children. And so I understand that whatever is going to be out there for me, it's going to happen, So just because it's not my timing